When it comes to AI in business, you may have heard both of these predictions.
AI is changing business so fast.
Real transformation takes decades.
So who's right? They sound incompatible, but they track different boundaries on the same timeline. On the far left, we have work AI does reliably. Next, there's work AI can do, but people still do. After that, work only people can do. Finally, on the far right, there's the unbounded frontier. Where each territory touches, a boundary exists. The first boundary is diffusion. Diffusion is the spread of AI capability into business. It turns AI capability into everyday work. The second boundary is research. It's the work researchers are doing to expand AI's capabilities. Last, there is the frontier. As people's needs and wants are met, new desires reveal themselves, and markets we couldn't see before emerge. Now, let's watch how these territories change over time. Starting from the left, diffusion moves at the speed at which people can incorporate AI into their business. That means acquiring the new technology, learning how to use it, sharing it with leaders, and finally operationalizing it. This is a slow process. Diffusion would be steady if it weren't for market disruptors creating competition, unburdened by the weight and complexity of larger businesses. Eventually, AI may diffuse more of itself as agents become capable enough to do the implementation. But for now, people are still the bottleneck. That takes us to AI research. Frontier labs, startups, and self-starters around the world are working every day to take AI further than it has gone before, and AI is speeding them up. Every day, new capabilities emerge, accelerating diffusion and the next iteration of AI research. The process compounds on itself. Where that compounding stops, nobody knows. If research reaches human-level capability, it could continue far into the frontier. Finally, there's the frontier. It moves at the speed of technology and knowledge. Together, they shape what can be thought, seen, and experimented with. This is why independent discoveries are made across the world at roughly the same time. Calculus, the telephone, and the microchip were each developed independently by different people. The world had reached the point where it was ready to see the breakthrough. Each boundary moves at a different rate. Research is fastest, then the frontier, and finally diffusion. Now the contradiction makes sense. The optimist watches research. The skeptic watches diffusion. Both are right, and both are talking past each other. That gap is diffusion time. It feels gradual, until new capabilities and faster competitors reach your market. Then capability becomes competition, and yesterday's advantage can disappear. The response is to use AI now. But how? Businesses must abandon old assumptions and become agent native, sometimes even rethinking their core business model. Many businesses already know this. So what's holding them back? Trust. This is where the story takes a turn into neurosymbolic AI. Neurosymbolic AI is a fancy term for combining probabilistic models with business rules to build an AI agent. Neural means brain, think LLM. Symbolic means the business map, permissions, and rules. Together, they make autonomous work dependable. Buddy Williams has built 2 open-source neurosymbolic systems for enterprise. Refine automates software development with humans in the loop. Harmonic pairs AI agents with people for general business operations. Buddy Williams helps leaders find their place on the line, rethink their business model, and become agent native before the gap closes.